know. How can I tell if he loves me so?
Is it in his eyes?
Oh no, you'll be deceived.
Is it in his eyes?
Oh no, it's make believe. If you wanna know if he loves you so, it's in his kiss.
That's where it is. Is it in his face?
Oh no, it's just his tongue.
Warm embrace.
Oh no, it's just his arms. If you wanna know if he loves you so, it's in his kiss.
That's where it is.
Oh, it's in his kiss.
That's where it is.
Oh, hug him and squeeze him fast and find out what you wanna know. If it's love, if it really